Don't never buy no weed from the gas station, bro. If the nigga ain't in your contacts, don't never go to the gas station, bro. I went up there at 11 o'clock last night, tried to give me some weed, bro. I smoked that shit, woke up, my motherfucking eye was right here, and my other eye still right here. Explain, bro. I got to go look for this nigga, bro. What the fuck did you sell me, bro? Look at me, bro. I'm hideous.
Zach! It's fucking Zach! What the f- You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love. You treat me like a stranger and I feel so loved.
SCP-096 has breached containment and is fucking balling on the site courtyard. He's going for it and oh my god, I've never seen anything like this in— Detected.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh shit.
But you got random.
I don't believe it, but I actually caught one. This delicacy.
I'm a gnome.
I'm a banana. And I'm Kanye West. We love you.
Grease monkey.
Well, he's got me now. Or does...
Oh wow, I just had the weirdest dream. You know you're driving, right?
Come on.
Spider-Man?
Discord.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb?
Saw you staring at my ass. I know you want it too.
I'm like, yeah, she's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like
Kiss. Come on, no one wants to kiss this guy. Look at him.
Oh my god, oh gee. Oh, god damn.
Come on, then. Who will strike first and brand themselves a cold-blooded killer?
Deploying flashbang.
Hey.
Another one.
Coming up.
Stop it. Oh, I'm gonna pee. Don't.
Ох, нет, товарищ. Кринж.
Oh no, Grogu is endangered. He needs help. Send in the Razor Crest.
逼崽子，你真没见过黑社会啊！操你妈的！刚刚有比划，操你妈！操你妈！赶快比划什么叫黑手！操你妈的你！
You're shitting yourself!
Not yet.
Go to the bathroom. You're shitting yourself.
Not yet. No.
I will rip everything apart. I swear to God. Go to the bathroom!
Not yet.
You're shitting yourself!
Not yet.